In this video, I'm doing a quick unboxing and review on the bike of one of the best-selling helmets this year, the Icon Airflite. Hey, I'm Lavatron, and on this channel you get quick motorcycle product reviews and tips to keep you safe. Before we get into it, be sure to subscribe for more like this. Let's go. Alright, so let's start with the unboxing. So this helmet was released in 2018, but it's still one of the most top-selling helmets out there. I got the matte black, or as Icon calls it, the rubatone finish. So right out of the box you get an instruction manual and an accessory guide, and then it's the helmet itself. This colorway is currently priced at $230. Key features include the 5 airflow vents, the drop-down sun visor, and this unique shield that provides a wide field of view. There really isn't any other helmet that looks like this out there. I definitely get some serious Boba Fett Mandalorian vibes from it. I got this directly from puremoto.com. Not only are products sold there, but it's also filled with honest discussions and reviews from fellow bikers. I'll leave a link in the description to the site so you can check them out. Alright, so let's take this helmet out for a spin on the bike. Alright, so I have pretty high expectations for this helmet. My first helmet was actually an Icon Alliance Dark, and it's such a great beginner helmet. So let's get into some of the pros. The first pro is definitely the airflow. Today is one of the hottest days in my city, and this helmet is keeping me cool with all of these air vents. The second pro is the drop-down sun visor. Not even my AGV AX8 helmet has this, and that helmet is way more expensive than this one. It also means that I don't have to change out my clear visor just yet, so I can save some money that way. So the third pro is that wind noise is really minimal for a helmet with so many vents. The Airflite is a lot more quieter than even my belt qualifier, so I think that's really a good thing to know and consider. So now moving on to the cons of the Airflite. So the first con that I found with this helmet is that when I first put it on, it did seem a little too snug, but I mean it did break in after the first ride. But it is something to take note of. You might think it's at first not your size, but it really is. Another con is that the matte finish seems to get smudges on it. I think I also did experience that with the Icon Alliance, because it did have the same rubatone finish. Overall, this is a comfortable, safe helmet with premium features. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.